Happy morning, happy afternoon, and happy evening to all my Nanbas and Nanbis. I received so many messages from all you people saying, ma'am, I am unable to remember auditing and SM specifically, the theory papers of group 2, 150 marks. Morning padachadu, next day morning illa. That night itself unable to remember, ma'am. What are the tips and tricks? Please tell. And especially this theory paper, I am not able to study for long duration. Sleep is coming for me if I open the book itself. And many a times I know the concept, but I don't know how to write the answer. I don't know how to present that answer. I don't know what are the keywords itself for me to memorize that keyword. Many people asked me these questions. Are you also one of those students who faced any of these challenges? Please let me know in the comments below. Now, how to approach this audit and SM, especially in the last 45 days? The first step is to attain that conceptual clarity. Conceptual clarity, I'm sure many of you will have, but if you want, I will just show you my book, Essay 300, 10 sure marks you will get in audit exam. One of the most difficult standards. If you see here, we start off with the mind mapping in my class. Every standard, every chapter, we do this mind mapping. First we understand what are the things which are getting covered, and that Roman number will keep flowing below. So it is easy for you to map whatever question comes. You will write the answer properly. Same way for SM also, guys. First we start off with the mind mapping for all the chapters. When you do that mind mapping itself, you understand as to what and all you can expect from that chapter. Now if you take this chapter, hardly there are 5 subdivisions here, and the same thing will keep flowing down below, so it becomes extremely easy for your revision also. The second thing, once you get the conceptual clarity, and most importantly I had spoken about keywords, and if you see in audit and also SM, the keywords are given in red, which is the most important part here. Now once you get the conceptual clarity, you definitely have to practice questions. Practice makes a man perfect. Practice questions means not simply reading like this. You actually have to have that writing practice. From where do I get these practice questions, ma'am? Past year, MTP, RTP, from when new syllabus is there. Once you do that, that itself is more than sufficient, I am telling you. Testing yourself in your school days, back to your school days, I want you to think about that just for a minute. How many times you actually wrote that cycle test, unit test, half yearly, quarterly, then only you went to that giant board exam. But for CA exams, are you even considering to write that test? My kind request for you to plan to write at least ICAS mock test, then only go for the exam. I have a magic solution for you all. Imagine if you can cover all of these 3 in just one place. If you are going to get the conceptual clarity and also the workout and also the test series, that one place is the CA classroom. Now in this workout, what and all are you going to cover, ma'am? We will be doing all the 8 model test papers which was released recently by ICAI. Apart from that, we will be doing the past RTP specific to new syllabus, and most of you already know about my super 100 questions. I have handpicked them based on the difficulty level. Only the case study based questions I have handpicked, those super 100 questions, and the most expected questions which all of you all are expecting from me, and obviously the past exam questions. All of these will be covered under this workout. Now if you want my classes, there are 2 ways you can purchase the classes. One is offline. In A&M classes it is happening. For auditing it is 24th to 28th March, and SM it is 29, 30, 31 March. And if you want online you can get for individual subject. It is for very, very affordable prices. That combo, that is audit and SM combo itself is available for 1,999 guys. And bonus for all of you attending online, if you want, you can also come for the offline and attend the quick conceptual revision which happens at the offline. And like I told you, this online is going to cover all these three, that is the conceptual clarity, workout and the test series. So please guys, if you want to better yourself in these two subjects, or if you feel any difficulty in audit and SM, this is your one-stop solution. All the very best guys.